Now, today we will discuss 16.5 exercise in which we will discuss about area of circle. Okay? With the help of area of circle, in which radius is given or diameter is given, then with the help of radius or diameter or circumference, we will find out what is the area of the circle. See question number 4. 16.5, and what is the area of circle? Pi r square. Then the value of pi is 22 by 7. Question number 4 is the area of circle is given 55.44 meter square. Find its radius. Area is given. We have to find out what is the radius of the circle. What is the area? Area is given out 55.44 meter square. See, area of circle pi r square. What is the area? Value of pi 2 by 7 r square. R square is equal to 55.44 multiplied by 7 upon 22. Okay, 11 to the 22, 11 5 to 55. Okay, then 11 4 to 44. It should be, I think, 5.04. Okay, 5.04. Okay, now listen. Next, 11 to the 22, 11 5 plus 55, 4. Okay, not divided to take 0, then 11 4 the 44. Again, divide by 2, 2 to the 4. 10, 2 5 the 10, 2 to the 4. 2.52 into 7 is equal to r square. See, here r square. 2.52. Removing decimal, we can take as a 100. R square. Now, take the prime factor of 252. 2 1 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 6 the 12, 2 6 the 12, 2 3 the 6, 3 3 2 the 6, 3 1 the 3, 3 7 the 1. Okay, so r square is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 7, and 1 7 is this multiplied by 7 upon 100. You can write down as a 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now r square you can write as a 2 into 3 into 7, 2 power 2, 3 power 2, 7 power 2 upon 2 power 2, 5 power 2. This will be cancelled out. Again, r is what is r square? Okay, find its radius. Okay, so you can write as 3 into 7 upon 5 power 2. So 2 is cancelled out. R is equal to 7 3 the 21 upon 5. Or you can write R is 5 4 the 20, 5 to the 10, 4.2 meter. See, once again, area is 55.44. We know that area of circle is pi r area is given 55.44, so pi to 2 by 7 multiplied by r square, then cross multiply, okay, that is 2.52 multiplied by 7. Here decimal is given now. So for removing the decimal here 1 and 2 places given, that's why we have taken 2 zeros. Prime factor of 252, we will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, and 1 7 is already here, so this one the 7 which are given. Here you can also cut out 2 2 cancel, but we are cutting here, so r is equal to 3 power 2 7 power 2. Both are same power now. You can write like this, and 5 is both have 2 powers, so that's why we have taken a bracket. This power 2 cancel, and r is equal to 7 3 21 upon 5, that is 4.2. So that is the radius of the circle whose area is 55.44 meter square. Write down. After this, see question number 5. In question number 5, find the circumference of the circle having the following area. Area is given. First, area is 616 centimeter square. Area is given. Then we will find the radius. Then after we will find what is the circumference of the circle. What is the area of circle? 616 r square. Then 7 into plus and 22 is divided. From 11 is done 22, 11 5 is 55, 6 11 is done 66. From 2, that is 20. R square, or you can write as 2 into 2 into 7, 28, and also in 7 r square, or you can write as 2 power 2 7 power 2, or 2 into 7 power 2 r square. The square is cancelled out. Then what is the radius? That is 14 centimeter square. Okay, so the circle whose area is 616 centimeter square, their radius 14 centimeter. Now we will get what is the radius. So we have to find out what is the circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi means 22 by 7, and radius is 14. 7 to the 14. That is 88 centimeter of the circumference of the circle. Write down. In which one more question is given. 5 second part. Same like this we can solve 5 seconds. But now see what is the second part. Which also, what is the area? area is 1386 centimeter square. Now then we will get what is the radius of the circle. 1386 is equal to pi r square. Same as we solved last question. 1386 r square, then 22, 11 to jump 22, 11 to 11, 2, 28, 11 to jump 22, 6 carry, 11 6 jump 66. Again 2 6 are 12, 2 3 jump 6, then that is 63. Next, take the prime factor of 63, 3, 7, and also what quantity is given? 3 power 2 power to cancel. Then what is the radius? 21 centimeter. So the radius of the circle, whose area is 1386 centimeters square, the radius is 21 centimeter. Now circumference of circle 2 pi r 2, and the value of pi is 22 by 7, and the radius is 21. 7 to the 21, 3 to the 6, or 2 into 22 into 3, 2 into 66. Okay. Now 2 6 is 12, 122 centimeter square. Okay. Now write down. But second lesson, in this question says area is given. So in the place of area, write down area, and what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So 1386, value of pi is 22 by 7, r square is r square. Cross multiply, then what will you get? 63 into m is equal to r square. Take prime factor of 63, that is 3 into 3 into 7, 3 to the 9, 9 7 is 63. Pair, 3 pair, 7 7 3. So 3 and 3 power 2, 7 power 2. Cross, then we will get 21 centimeters. We know what is the circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 21, 7, divide 21 3 times, then like this you will get what is the circumference of the circle. Okay, write down.